Mobility is actually top of the agenda for lots of organizations. I think there's an appreciation that mobility is actually a key way of doing business going forward. Mobility is probably as impactful for businesses right now as the internet was when it was actually released. If you look at the sort of devices we actually use during the course of the day, we don't typically focus on one device. We actually have multiple devices. So I think that the key for mobility isn't so much how you enable a single device, it's how you enable the flexibility for users to switch between devices. So you get different degrees of productivity from different devices.
One of the presentations I gave today was about mobility, and the question about mobility is how do I best enable my end users and sometimes my customers to be mobile? And my answer to that is, it's not a one-size-fits-all thing. Actually, different classes of users have different kinds of mobility requirements, and the first thing you need to do is understand what those mobility requirements are.
Mobility is a huge opportunity for lots of businesses. Having the challenge, if you like, of addressing security, enabling mobility, and having the manageability and maintainability that mean that all of these solutions don't end up costing the business a lot of money. All of those things are actually big challenges for businesses, and that's really where we're looking to try and help. Make It Matter actually is more pervasive than just a go-to-market statement for HP. It's Make It Matter for IT within businesses. And it addresses that need for a lot of businesses to actually match the aspirations of their staff to have consumer devices with something that is commercialized and therefore manageable, maintainable and securable. That's really a key mission for us, actually satisfying those both user aspirations, the needs of the consumer within the business, the needs of the consumer outside the business for personal use, and also address corporate IT's needs to manage it.